Hello folks. So in this video, I'm going to actually show you how I'm going to try out this package called App Toolkit. I'm actually going to run the end-to-end test for this App Toolkit, and I'm going to try out the version 0.2.0 for this. And if you look at this, you actually have the test file over here. And let's see what this mentions. So let's open this with this. So it is, so you need these prerequisites. So app toolkit values YAML, file containing the following information, and I'm actually going to copy that up. We'll do that. So contour, and then we have knative serving, and then we have cartographer catalog. Um, and actually, I do plan to actually put this inside the test directory itself. This is inside the test directory. We'll do that. So we have contour invoice service type is cluster IP host ports enable true. We need to put a registry over here and then developer namespace, dev test. So let's do that. I'll remove this and I'll remove this. This has already been like put it over here. We put it on the top. You can see here. Hey, wait, there's underscore over here and then hyphen here. Probably a typo. I'm not sure. Let me check it out. Um, hmm. How do we confirm if it's a typo or not? Maybe go here and check out what this is. So this one says cartographer hyphen catalog, cartographer hyphen catalog. I'm not sure if hyphen is the thing. Hmm. I could check out cartographer catalog. Cartographer catalog. And let's see what version we have. We have only one version, and it says hyphen over here. I mean, for this, and wondering why it says something else. Developer namespace. So developer namespace, we have developer namespace like this. Developer underscore namespace. I need to actually find out where this is used. So let's check it out. Ah, there is this. Okay. So I think it is hyphen. I'm gonna just try out hyphen because these are values that are going to be used. But this is for the internal package. Same thing for here. Let's see if knative serving underscore serving is used. Yep, it's used here. And then cartographer. I don't think underscore is used. Oh, underscore is used actually. That is weird. Okay, so I think I need to use underscore only and not hyphen. Okay, let's go ahead and use underscore and I'll get rid of this. So because it's being used here clearly. And I think we have to fix this in the in here. I mean here it's okay inside the test, but here I think it has been mentioned differently. You have to fix it here, cartographer hyphen catalog, and the others are cool, I think. Excluded packages and whatnot, that's all cool. So now we have one moment, let me close this up. And so we have the contour. So this is 0.2.0, 0.2.0. I'm gonna have to push this to um, the test file. Oh, this is already in the test file, is it? No, this is not inside the test file. Test directory. Oh, this is inside the test directory. Awesome. And we have this contour envoy. Let me actually open this up to the preview and close this out. So we have contour envoy service type. All this done, cartographer catalog, and then we have the developer namespace coming up, and then key native serving, domain type real, and then this. And then kpack, so we have the kpack default, kpack default repository, username, and then passwords. I've put in my Docker Hub thing. Below is used for testing, but is not part of the intended app toolkit flow. Using Docker Hub provided in the format of this. Oh, okay. So yeah, but we are using Docker Hub. Um, so we have to just go ahead and put this. One moment. Using Docker Hub provided in the format. Okay. So we have to provide this, and so copy this up. And let's actually just copy this out. Cool. So registry server and our valid OCR is like this. Okay, so we just copy this out and put this here. And then registry repository is a repository name, that is like your username. Okay, that's something that we've already done here. I think they are referring to this. Registry repository, is it there? Oops, I have to copy this. To copy this here. Okay, this one, yeah. So we have to put in like we have to get rid of, so we shouldn't be putting the square brackets. So yep, that's that. Default registry, password, credentials for the specified registry. So I have put that properly over here. We do also have to do this username secret that in your for your registry login. So username secret, so it appears in the Docker config JSON. I should probably do Docker login and try it out. Docker login. Let's try this out. Okay. Oops. I need to put in this thing. So this is my token. Okay, awesome. So this is stored here, unencrypted. And okay. So we have to mention the username and password secret. Uh, it's weird because we don't have that coming up here. So I'm just gonna have to just put in the username over here, my username and my password. So I'm just gonna put Karpaya7890 and then just put in the registry password as this. And then after creating the file with the required fields, you can start the actual test execution with this command. Awesome, you can also provide a package repo URL to the script and it will use that repository for the tests. Awesome, so let's try this out. I think the test is over here. And do we need a supply chain example? No, I don't think so. So I'm just gonna get rid of this file. I'm gonna delete this. I think this is because kpack stuff is already mentioned here, or yeah, cool. I'm gonna delete this off. So now I'm just gonna go check out what this does. So existing package repository, and then it gets this, okay. And then it gets the registry server, registry user, and then registry password, and then developer namespace, uh, and then what else? Developer namespace, and then delete existing clusters. So lists app to address. So if there is one, so it deletes it. It's equal to 0 cluster found. and then it deletes it or else it doesn't. So create clusters, check executables, update package repository. So what is that? Updating this existing package repository to use this. So what is the existing package repository? We don't have this actually, so this can't be used. Anyways, think it'll give out an error because we currently don't use that repository at all. Tanzu package repository list for all namespaces. We have this. So I could do one thing. Let's see. Can I actually do an update and maybe it adds this up? I don't know, like existing package repo URL is whatever you give. Okay. So if we don't give this, what does it do? If it's not equal, okay, and then using standard repo, so existing found in existing package repo. Okay, we have to actually provide this then. Um, hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna actually have to install that then. Let me install that then. Or let's see if we can actually install it just by doing this. This because I'm using the RC2 version and this and then this. So oops. So it looks like this. So all the hyphens become slashes. And then you put this, right? So can we do this? Does not exist. Awesome. Okay. To add the package. So we can actually say create also over here. So update. If it does not exist, it will get created. So oh, but it'll actually give an error because you already have 0.12.0 RC2 happening. So it'll give the error that it already exists, like other packages already exist. So Tanzu package repository um, list hyphen e, and we have to delete this. So delete, and let's delete this off because the packages of this clashes with the packages of the other one. So it's gonna delete this. Are you sure? Not in namespace default, but in namespace, you know, package Tanzu package repo global. Yes, so it's deleting it. Awesome. So let's leave that there and list. So let's leave that for now. I'm not going to give the package repo for now, and it'll actually be using the 0.12 and set up secrets. So it is setting up secrets. It's installing 0.8.0. Okay. Maybe I should go ahead and like get 0.11, but I actually want to try out with 0.12. So I'm wondering what to do about this because this one doesn't actually have 0.12. Available list hyphen a. And if you see here, if you check secret gen control, you only have 0.7.1. And you could update the current thing, repository list. You could update the current thing maybe. So update hyphen h. So here is this case a package repository, right? That's what you use. But so if you're gonna update, you can actually use update this and provide a URL. I'm gonna say RC5, which exists now, and RC5, and then give the namespace as this. Let's see how that goes. So that is reconciling. Okay, so let's see if it has like 0.8. Ideally it should. And then registry server, all of this. Okay. Okay, so it says RC5 not found. Well, I just tried it out. Crane ls, and if you check out this, you can see RC5 being mentioned here. There is an RC5. img pkg pull hyphen I. Oh, it's V. I should have put a V. I missed a V. 0.12.0 RC5 hyphen O temp TCE main. So bundle, expected bundle flag, so bundle. Awesome. So we have that. So we have temp TCE main, and then we have packages. We have the packages YAML. Awesome. Do we have secret gen over here? Oh, we won't, because secret gen comes from the other one, not this one. Let's just confirm. RG secret gen. Oops. Okay. Okay. So I think we might have to do this manually instead of like this way, because this works for 0.11, but then for 0.12 there's no test. Okay. And to update, I can just use properly this 0 v0.12 and it should just work. If I want 0.12.5, I mean 0.12.0 hyphen RC5, but that's not going to change the secret gen controller that we have. It's just going to be like the same old thing. So we still have only 0.7.1 for secret gen. I think that's because the repository list, if we check in TKG core repository, we actually have repo 12 and not repo 11. I think repo 11 probably has the thing. I should probably check that out. IMG pull, and then we can call this as TKG core TC, and then um, this for 0.12, and then see what that comes up with. Is hosting every image specified in the bundles image log file. Okay, and if we go ahead and check this out, tree this, oops, I don't have tree. Okay, basically this has packages YAML, and if we check out secret gen controls, we have secret gen, and awesome package metadata is that, and then we have this. So let me search for this. So this, awesome. So how about I get for 11 maybe? I don't know. There must be some 11 over here. So I'm just gonna check out 11 this way maybe. Let's see if it has it. I'll just say 11. Let's see if it's there. And okay, it's not. We might have to do something like crane ls and then see if these are present. Maybe check out what is there here. Okay, not a good idea. Repo 11, repo 12. Okay, so this has repo 0.12, repo 10. So this has 10, but 11 it does not. That is weird. Okay, so I think we'll have to do something extra out here. Okay, I'm gonna actually pause here and continue.